Morning, I'm Yalini and I'm the Head of Collateral Management for Margin Core in Tokyo. My role is to help us identify opportunities to optimise Margin Core's collateral processes, managing risk while reducing funding costs. As Dan mentioned, we've recently transitioned the collateral team to a blockchain solution, the Collateral app chain, and this has significantly improved our efficiency and given us options we've never had before and better, more timely information so I can make more informed decisions. Our board's recently allowed us to expand our asset classes to include cryptocurrencies, specifically Bitcoin, and this platform has allowed us to manage crypto alongside our traditional assets, reducing our time to market and any enhancements to the platform. And that's a huge win. The markets are proving volatile again today. We've been having more trades move to clearing, and I'm expecting intraday calls from our clearinghouse. We've also been hitting our limits on JGBs recently, and while I would typically go to the repo markets to raise cash, it's just not ideal. But thankfully, I've got options today. Let's look at our positions. I can see we've had a call from JSCC this morning, and I know that we're not going to be able to use JGBs to cover any of that. But luckily, I can tap into our global inventory through our conversion order service on the app chain. I have access to both our traditional depositories as well as our distributed ledgers. But I know that our US broker-dealer left us with some treasury inventory before they left last night. And what I can do is create a bit of a buffer for us to make sure we cover through the day. I'm going to convert around 190 million in quantity and assign that to my wallet. Now, the great thing about this is we can maintain the safekeeping of the underlying asset in the local market, but still utilise the full collateral value in the APAC time zone. Now, as I can see that's in my wallet, I can allocate the collateral and to JSCC. But while I do that, let's hear from my friends at JSCC on their digital plans.
JSCC is part of the Japan Exchange Group, JPX, and is a Japanese clearinghouse for the cash equity, listed and OTC derivatives, and OTC JGB repo financial market. As a clearinghouse, we are primarily responsible for reducing concentrated market risks, and it is essential our collateral management processes are robust and highly efficient so that our clearing members can optimally fulfill their margin calls and the process occurs without operational failure. We see many benefits from a transition to DLT, both for clients and for JSCC. We have been exploring digital asset models to improve collateral processing and optimization in Japan. Because more than 70% of JSCC cleared volumes originate from overseas players, we can see significant opportunities by leveraging interoperability with global market infrastructure peers. Other APAC markets are also growing quickly, and access to international liquidity can further improve efficiency in this region.
The Collateral app chain has given us the ability to act with the utmost urgency during these more difficult times, and the speed at which I can deliver collateral to CCPs versus a more traditional CCP margin model is incomparable, as in we're able to allocate in minutes versus days.